Have you ever encountered this? This error means your computer connects to Wi-Fi but can't reach the internet, usually caused by corrupted network settings. One hidden Windows command fixes it in 30 seconds. Press the Windows key and type CMD to open command prompt. Run as administrator. This gives access to network reset commands. Type netsh-int IP reset and press enter. This resets your network adapter configuration to default settings. Type netsh-winsock reset and press enter. This clears corrupted network protocol settings. Both commands should complete with success messages. The network stack has been reset to clean defaults. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect completely. After restart, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network using the same password. The Wi-Fi icon should now show normal internet connectivity without the No Internet Secured error. The page loads properly, confirming the network connection is fixed. This method resets network configurations that commonly become corrupted. Works for most No Internet Secured errors.